Hello everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back again with 10 cards, one kit. So this time I used August 2021 Spellbinders card kit of the month, and it's called Art School. And as per usual from the Spellbinders card kits, which I love, it comes with a ton of stuff. And those are the contents: puffy stickers, sequins, die cut shapes, which is what I call ephemera, foam squares, set of dies, cardstock, cards and envelopes. So that's why I love this, because to me it's very easy to make cards with them. So if this is the first video of mine that you're watching, and if you want to see more, I have a lot more 10 cards one kit. I have 25 cards one kit in my channel using my Spellbinders card kit subscription. So if you want to see those, just check on my channel, okay? And so let's get on with it. This is the first card I'm showing you. It's just a scene card, you know, two girls waiting for the school bus. It's going down the hill to them to pick them up and go to school. And these are just ephemera, or what do they call it? Die cut shapes is what they call it, but I'm calling them ephemera, as most crafters do. So, you know, the kit comes with what feels like 1,000 die cut pieces or ephemera. And I love working with this. If you know me, you know I love working with die cut pieces or ephemera. I'm not really a stamper. This is the stamp that comes with it, that came with this kit. It's artsy, you know, it's art themed. And I have a lot of stamps, but I found through the years that it's really not my thing. So, and ephemera is my thing. Anyway, I'm babbling. I'm sorry, guys. And these hearts are from the, what do they call that? Puffy stickers, yes. So it's this one. So it comes, I told you, it comes with a lot of stuff. So the puffy stickers, the hearts are from that puffy sticker set. And then this is just chipboard from the chipboard stickers that also come in the card kit. And the other ephemera pack is this one. I mean ephemera, chipboard sticker. Okay, so this is the next one. And the papers that I used are just from the paper pack. And the paper pack these are the patterns in the paper pack. So I used this one, which is the rainbow, for the background of that one. And then I used to me, I use this as grass, but it's just paper that has dash lines. Okay, that's it. And then this, I used paper from the paper pack, This is ephemera. This is a chipboard sticker, puffy stickers. It came with, like, when you squeeze the acrylic paint tube, that's what you get. So that's what I used. And this is just a black cardstock from my stash, and I used an MFT here. I used an MFT edge die for the scallop. But that's it. That's all I can tell you about that card. And then this one is another gathering of puffy stickers. So the paper pack has this pattern, and so I decided to just use the puffy stickers that are these animals in the background, and I just put so much fun. And this could be, what I was thinking about this is just something that I could give to my kids. Okay, and then this one it's a unique pattern or unique design. These are pencil shavings from when you sharpen your pencil. And it also came with ephemera, pencil shaving ephemera. So I just put them all together there. And I think it's cute. It says, do your thing. And then this, the ephemera came with chock full of school supplies. And so I just put them all together. This is like primary paper, you know, the paper that they use in elementary, but they put it in, just so it won't be boring, they printed it on blue paper. So I used that because this is school themed, as you might have figured out already. So everything is just school stuff. I love this glue gun right here. And again, the pencil sharpener, because I had that growing up, and I could swear I had several colors of that. That's an eraser. I love this stapler right here. So this is just maybe something that I could give my kids for when they go back to school, or when they have good grades, which thankfully my kids do. So that could be something that, yay, you did great, or something like that. And I have stamps or die cut pieces that could say that, you know, like congratulations. And then this is the next one. Again, paper from the paper pack, paper from the paper pack. And again, this is a scene card. I just used the 2 ephemera pieces from the pack. They're actually all ephemera pieces. And this is where the fun stuff happens. And this is a good thing to give to my kids for the first day of school. I keep saying kids. Okay, my kids are 16 and 11. This is something that I could give the 11-year-old. First day of school, maybe in 6th grade, because she loves school. She still loves school. Even my high school one still loves school. And this is so appropriate to say for first day of school, because they do have fun in school. Like I did. I love going to school. Call me nerdy, but I did. And then even through college, in fact, college I think was my most favorite time of my school years is college. Here's another one. This is more artsy. So if the other ones that I showed you were school themed, this is art themed, which is what the kit was all about. So I just put several different ephemera pieces, and that's paper that has acrylic paint tubes, and I just put them all together like that. So I could use this for someone artsy, or for someone that's really creative, and just send a card. And then here's another school themed. I can probably give this to my high school when she returns for her senior year next school year. So yeah, nothing much to say. Just, ephemera, school stuff. No, I love this one. It looks so real. And then this is the next one. There is a lemonade stand in the ephemera pack. It's this one. And so I just made a scene again using the MFT edge die. Paper from the paper pack paper. I love this yellow paper. And again, that's ephemera. Everything else is ephemera. And that's it. This is the last one. Paper from the paper pack, ephemera, puffy stickers of the different faces. And this says, be yourself. This one, be yourself. You are limited edition. And again, that's something that I can give my kids, because I want them to know that they are one of a kind and that I love them. That's it. Those are the 10 cards. And just wanted to show you some of the things I used. I used this for the banner. It's a fishtail that creates, banner. Where's that one? I had the banner. This one. All right, that edge. So you use a 1 inch, 1.5 or 2 inches to put through here, and this cuts the banner. And this is from Stampin' Up. I bought that from, I believe, if not Dawn's Stampin' Thoughts, it would have been Clump and Stampers. And then eksuccess, that I'm sure I bought at Michael's at one point when they used to sell these 1 inch. And then I showed you the MFT die already. Again, this is the, I think I've shown you this already. This is just the puffy stickers. Some more puffy stickers. See, there's so much left after you're done with a pack. And then these, I've shown you these already. Wanted to show you the die that came with it, and it's this one. It's the paint palette and acrylic tubes. and little flowers, acrylic tubes. No, does it come? Yes, it comes with acrylic tubes. Let's take them out. So paintbrush, acrylic tube, which Tina of Cards and Coffee Time used these in her cards. I can still. You know what I do with my kits is lately I've been deconstructing them, the ones that I've already used. I've been taking them apart and grouping them. So the stamps go to my stamps, the dies like these would go to my die pile. And the ephemera, because I love ephemera so much, and maybe I can make a video of that at some point. I have them classified into the different themes. So for example, I have just flowers, so I have school stuff. So it's so that they're easy to find if I want to do something school themed or art themed or female themed or food themed. So all my ephemera are categorized that way. And I'm probably the only one that does that because I love ephemera so much. And I want them to be accessible when I want to use them. So here is again the paper, and I'm just going to quickly flip through them. There of course is an unboxing video. There are a lot of unboxing videos of this card kit, and if you want to see more, there's videos using this by Spellbinders, by Cards and Coffee Time. I believe Crafty Mama Diaries made cards of this, and she had some Spellbinders 10 cards 1 kits using this too. And again, I am participating in Jill Norwood's Satmornmakes and Crafty Mama Diaries cmdshopstash. And till I see you again, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.